What's up guys? We're here in Adelaide, and in this video, we're going to show you our top things to do here. So hope you enjoy it. Adelaide is the vibrant capital of South Australia and is located on the picturesque shores of the Saint Vincent Gulf. Known as the 20-minute city, its compact design allows for easy exploration. Adelaide distinguishes itself through its elegant architecture, expansive parklands, and a renowned food and wine scene. This, coupled with a relaxed pace of life, makes it an inviting destination. In this video, we share our top things to do in and around the city, including a range of free activities, as well as can't-miss paid attractions. At the end, we'll also share a few travel tips. Now let's dive in. We are Zach and Ina. We make helpful videos about destinations around the world so you can easily plan your own adventures. Mount Osmond is perched in the Adelaide Hills, about 5 kilometers or 3.1 miles southeast of the city center. While driving offers a direct 20-minute route to the lookout, reaching it by public bus requires a bit more effort. This is because you'll need to get off at the bottom of the hill and then walk another 30 minutes or so to the lookout. This mountain is known for its panoramic vistas, which stretch across the entire Adelaide Plains. It's also possible to see the coastline as well as the city center from here. We recommend visiting during golden hour if you want to get the best lighting. But beyond the breathtaking views, you can also explore an extensive network of walking trails. The historic Adelaide Gaol is situated conveniently in the parklands to the northwest of Adelaide's city centre. It operated from 1841 to 1988, making it one of Australia's longest continuously operational prisons. In fact, it housed about 300,000 prisoners and witnessed 45 executions within its walls. Today, it stands as a museum where you can explore the eerie cell blocks, exercise yards, and even the hanging tower. A visit to this place will bring insight to the harsh realities of prison life. We visited this during the day on a self-guided tour, but the jail is also known for its ghost tours on certain evenings. As a cheap but effective way to keep prisoners in here, they actually put loose bricks on the top of these walls so that when prisoners tried to escape and climb over, there would be a big noise when the bricks crashed, and that would alert security guards that someone was trying to get out. Glenelg Beach is Adelaide's beloved seaside destination, approximately 10 kilometers or 6.2 miles southwest of the city center. Its accessibility is a major draw, with the iconic Glenelg tramline providing a direct connection from the CBD to the beachfront at Moseley Square. This beach is renowned for its wide, sandy coastline and vibrant foreshore. You can sunbathe, stroll along the historic jetty, or enjoy an abundance of cafes, restaurants, and shops. Meandering through the heart of Adelaide, the serene River Torrens is a popular spot for biking, boating, and walking along its banks. We opted for a 45-minute boat trip on the iconic Popeye, which has been a family-run business for generations. As you cruise along the water, you'll pass popular city landmarks while enjoying the picturesque riverbanks and skyline views. In the meantime, the captain shares some of Adelaide's stories and history. You can choose to disembark at the Adelaide Zoo or return to the initial landing. For a refreshing change of scenery, head to nearby Hallett Cove Conservation Park. This spectacular coastal reserve is known for its geological significance, with the cone-shaped sugarloaf being the most prominent feature. The best way to explore this park is by walking the stunning Hallett Cove boardwalk. This short and relatively easy hike winds through dramatic gullies and offers breathtaking views of South Australia's rugged coastline. Located right in the middle of the city, the Adelaide Central Market has been a bustling epicenter of food and culture since 1869. This vibrant indoor market offers a mix of fresh produce, gourmet cheeses, artisan breads, local meats, and sweets. You can spend hours here trying a variety of delicious treats or enjoying a full meal at one of the eateries. As our accommodation was directly across from this market, we popped over a few times to eat and stock up on fresh ingredients for cooking. Henley Beach is a coastal gem that's situated just 11 kilometers or 6.8 miles west of Adelaide's city centre. Its expansive stretch of calm water and soft sand make it great for a range of activities. You can go swimming, sunbathing, or have a relaxing stroll along the shore. The vibrant Henley Square and Esplanade is also brimming with restaurants and cafes with nice views. Keep your eyes peeled for dolphins, who are often seen roaming in the shallows here. But what we enjoyed most about this beach was its laid-back vibe and incredible sunset views. Adelaide is favorably positioned, with world-class wine regions on its doorstep. In fact, the area accounts for a significant portion of Australia's total wine production, often cited as around 50%. This makes it incredibly important to the industry. Both McLaren Vale to the south and the Barossa Valley to the north make for fantastic wine-tasting day tours. Beyond the vines, the picturesque Adelaide Hills offer scenic landscapes and the unique German settlement of Hahndorf. Wandering through this charming town and admiring its 19th century architecture is an experience in itself. The easiest ways to soak in all these highlights in one day is either by driving your own car or by joining a guided tour. Check out the description below this video for links to some tour options. Just a short drive to the northeast of the city centre sits Morialta Conservation Park. This peaceful place is a favorite for both locals and visitors, and is renowned for its dramatic gorges, seasonal waterfalls, extensive hiking trails, and the chance to see wild koalas. We first walked to the Morialta Falls inside the gorge, which was unfortunately completely dry during autumn. We then hiked to Giant's Cave and Kookaburra Rock for some elevated views. The big highlight for us was spotting lots of different wild koalas in the eucalyptus trees. The Adelaide Botanic Garden is situated on the eastern fringe of Adelaide's centre and is easily accessible by foot from many central locations. This meticulously curated garden boasts a stunning array of plants and trees from around the world. You can wander along serene pathways and discover many hidden nooks. Among its highlights are the impressive Bicentennial Conservatory, the beautiful Palm House, and the Amazon Water Lily Pavilion. It's common to spot animals in the park as well, such as gray-headed flying foxes. During our visit, the garden was also adorned with beautiful Chihuly glasswork.
The Botanic Garden is also home to the National Wine Centre, where you can learn about the history of Australian wine and also do a tasting. So we're going to check that out now.
The Adelaide Oval is an arena located just north of Adelaide's city centre. This iconic venue hosts a diverse range of events, from major international cricket and Australian rules football matches to world-class concerts. The best way to truly experience its vibrant atmosphere is by watching a game. When we were visiting, an annual footy festival was on, so the energy of the crowd was absolutely phenomenal. Even if you're not attending a sporting event, you should still check out the inside of the Adelaide Oval. A unique way to see it is by joining a roof climb. On this guided experience, you'll walk a series of stairs on the Oval's roofline while enjoying panoramic city and turf views. Our absolute favorite Adelaide experience was going on a dolphin watching tour. This adventure starts from the Marina Pier in Glenelg, which is easily accessible from the city centre by tram. We embarked on a 3.5-hour catamaran journey along Australia's southern coastline, spotting various dolphin pods on the way and learning about their behaviour. Since we opted for the swimming experience, we were also able to enter the water with a wetsuit and snorkel. Observing these wild dolphins up close underwater is something we'll never forget. Throughout the journey, we rotated to both the front and back of the boat, while dolphins swam alongside us. And for peace of mind, the tour is led by knowledgeable and enthusiastic marine biologists who are committed to ethical practices. You can find a link to the same tour we joined in the description below this video. Adelaide is a charming city with a great layout, making it easy to explore. Here are 3 travel tips to make your visit seamless. For transiting within the CBD, you can take advantage of the free city connector buses on routes 98 and 99 AC, which loop around major attractions. The free tram zone is also a nice option, covering the CBD from South Terrace to the Adelaide Entertainment Centre. A fare applies outside the free zone for places such as Glenelg. It's easy to tap on and off with your regular credit card. Uber and taxis are also readily available and can be more convenient for specific destinations or late-night travel. Since the city centre is designed on a grid, you'll find it very simple to navigate on foot as well. Your accommodation choice in Adelaide largely depends on the type of experience that you're looking for. For a city trip with easy access to attractions, dining, shopping, and the parklands, staying in the heart of the CBD is ideal. We found it perfect for walking to almost all central destinations. If your priority is beach time, consider staying in Glenelg, as it offers the added benefit of a direct tram link back to the city centre if you want to venture in for the day. While Adelaide enjoys a sunny and dry climate most of the time, the best months to visit are from September to November or March to May. The temperatures are generally pleasant during those times of the year. We visited at the end of April, with temperatures hovering around the mid-20s Celsius or 80 degrees Fahrenheit. If you have more time in Adelaide or are looking for other things to do, we put a list of other options on the screen here for you. And if you're planning your trip to Australia, we recommend keeping things organized with our interactive travel planner. Find a discount code in the description below the video. We also included other important links in the description that will help with your Adelaide experience, such as an interactive map so you can get to each place we mentioned. We'll catch you on the next adventure.